If you want to unlink your CapCut account from Facebook, follow these simple steps to ensure your accounts are no longer connected. Step 1. Open CapCut. Launch the CapCut app on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account that you wish to unlink from Facebook. Step 2. Access account settings. Navigate to the Profile or Account Settings section of the app. This is usually found in the bottom right corner of the screen. Step 3. Find linked accounts. Look for an option labeled Linked Accounts or Social Accounts. This section will display all the accounts connected to your CapCut profile. Step 4. Select Facebook. Locate the Facebook option within the Linked Accounts list. Tap on it to access the unlinking options. Step 5. Unlink the account. Follow the prompts to unlink your Facebook account from CapCut. Confirm your choice if prompted and ensure that the connection is removed. Once you've completed these steps, your CapCut account will no longer be linked to Facebook. If you have any further questions or need assistance, feel free to reach out to CapCut support.